Morning guys. Ikaw na. I have so many chance.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning guys. But we have to go. We want to go to the. We don't have battle to swim there. But there's the green.
Time check, it's 7:44 a.m. And ito yung aming kubo. We are at kubo number 3. And ito yung pinakamalapit na kubo sa seashore. And this is our resort, Villa Dionisio, Kaisip. Ayan, malawak siya. And ang maganda dito, nakakatuwa na pwedeng ipasok yung mga sasakyan. So yung parking namin ay katabi lang ng aming kubo. So yung mga naka-check-in dito, katabi lang, halos katabi lang din ng mga pinag-i-stayan nila. Yung mga sasakyan nila, which is very convenient dahil hindi ka na kailangan maglakad papuntang parking if may makalimutan ka. And pwede ka rin magtayo ng mga tent dito. Yan.
I think a castle.
Halika na, let's go na. Let's go to the beach.
Castle. I think it's a castle.
So now, pupunta na tayo sa beach. Si Sky.
I need shovel.
So, dito kami nag-grill kagabi. Tapos katabi lang din ang kubo, diba? So, yung nandiyan naman sa kabilang bakod ay ibang resort na. Diba? Nakakatawa kasi ang lapit lang niya sa dagat. Beachfront na beachfront talaga. Yan na, Sky. Sige na. Sky, sige na. Sky, doon pa. Doon tayo. Dali. So guys, nagulat kami pagising namin, pagtingin namin dito sa dagat. Low tide na. So kahapon nandiyan lang yung tubig, pero ngayon walang makaswim kasi ayan na. So naglalakad na lang yung mga tao dahil bumaba yung tubig. Oh, low tide. Low tide na. So, let's go. Puntahan natin yung low tide. Kasi ang dami naglalakad po doon yung mga tao.
Hi guys, let's go by boat. Dito tayo sa beach.
Ito yung sand dito sa Calatagan, Batangas. Sky, wait for me! Sky, wait! Oh, what's that?
I get like this. The rat.
Ano yan? Seaweeds.
I got seaweeds. Hello. Let's go guys.
Oh, be careful.
Yucky.
Bakit yaki? Malinis nga eh. Oh, walang basura. Konti lang. Kailan-ilan siguro. Pero mas malinis pa rin kaysa sa mga resort na malapit sa amin. So kahapon andito yan dito ko nasa yung mga seaweeds dito may tubig na kahapon nung hapon nung pagdating namin, pero ngayon ayan na siya, nawala na yung tubig hanggang doon, ganito kalaki, ganito kalawak na first time ko lang din siguro makakita ng ganito na ang layo na nung tubig. Kasi kahapon lang nagsiswimming yung mga tao dito. Kayo babasa yung ano mo, pajama. Nakapang sleep ka pa eh. Huwag ka muna maligo, ha? Sky, what did you get? Look. Ano yan?
Mami, ada ba? Nakita ba ako dito?
Ano pa? May fish ba? Can you see a fish? Hindi naman ito parang rivers. Kaya look, parang river. May water.
Ayun. I see it. I see it.
So, ganito pala yung ilalim ng tubig na pinagsiswimmingan ng kahapon ng mga tao.
Hey, dito fish. Hello, yeah. Fish.
So, maraming halaman. Very healthy naman ang dagat.
It's so bright. Oh my gosh!
Oh, lumag yung paa mo. Basa na yung pajama mo. Palit ka na dun, ha? Ayun yung kubo namin, guys. Kahapon. Ano yan? So, walang makapag-swimming ngayon. Lahat ng mga tao ay naglalakad. Ayun sila. Ayan. Ang layo na nila. Layo nila sa seashore. Ayun, dun pa. Maraming tao dun. Galing na nakakapunta sila dun sa area na yun. Kasi wala na ngayon tubig. Ito naman si Sky, nag-explore. So, ayan. May grass talaga dito. Ano ba tawag dito? Seaweeds? Let me know, guys. Sky, don't go too far. Halika na, come back. Sky! Nakatawa kasi malinis naman. Oh, walang basura. Oh! Pabalik na si Sky, natumba siya, nadapa, may malambot na part siguro siya naapakan, and Balik na tayo sa kubo, Sky. May mga parts na malambot. May mga malalalim. Snail yan, snail.
Snails. Diba, diba?
Sky, there's something moving. A starfish, a baby starfish.
Yes.
Oh, huwag mo touch. Huwag ka basta touch. Mamaya, mabait ka. Baka mamaya, ouchie. Baka mamaya, ma-sting ka. Is it alive? You see that?
Alive. Diba, diba? What is that? What? She's happy.
Oh, is it a starfish?
She's happy. Yeah. Another one. Another one.
Ito pa, Sky, oh. Look at this. Oh, no.
Ayun ba?
Nasaan?
Ayun.
Ano yan? What is that?
Cellphone. Nagawin.
Baka na natin ng iba. Sorry, nakachinelas kami. Ito pa, ang dami pala eh. Nagtatago sa ano, Sky. Sa buong grass.
I see something. I see something now. Ayun, one. There's another starfish.
Ano pa ng starfish dito?
Another one. Another one. Another one. Ayun ba?
Oh, baby pa, no? Ay, no. It's moving, guys.
She's so cute, guys. She's so cute. Another one here. She's coming.
Eh, sa paa mo, meron din.
Ano ba kayo? Pero, oh my gosh, oh gosh. Oh no.
It's moving.
Yeah. Wow. Why did that happen? Another one now. It's going now. Hey, you can go. You can do it. Wow.
Water eh. No?
Yes, yeah, but it's water now. Ano?
What else can you see? So, ang dami guys. Ang dami dito. Hindi mo siya mapapansin at first. Kasi, iba nakatago sa
It's happening, Mommy.
grasses.
It's happening. Hey.
Ayan, dikit-dikit talaga
I
sila.
think it's happening. Another one. I see it. You see that?
What is that?
Shellfish.
Where? Look, ayun, may ano yung tubig. Like something's in there.
Ito.
Ano, nagalaw.
What? What's that? No, guys. May nalakad na ako. Ayun.
Ayun. That's a big one.
The big one. Oh my gosh! Where's Footy? It's so guys. Wow! It's a daddy fish town.
Daddy Big Star. Daddy Starfish.
What's it back there? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Galaw siya.
Yeah.
Camouflage siya sa
Kitty.
camouflage.
That's it. seashell. Mommy, I see a big seashell. What is a big seashell? Big seashell.
Tingin? Patingin si Mami.
Big seashell.
Wow! Oh, show me to the to the
Look,
vlog.
guys, look! I got this one!
Uh-oh! Be careful. Oh.
Meron may glow.
Meron din dito. Yan, nakita ko. Tapos, meron sa loob, guys.
Oh, another one! Another one! I see it!
Kita.
You see another one!
Meron
I see that.
What's that?
Come on.
Dami na galaw. Dito maraming tubig area na to. So, they can swim here. Di siya galang
Malapakan ko.
Ang dami palang starfish dito sa Calatagan, Batangas. This one is moving fast. Kayo. Look at this.
Yeah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Let's go to another one. That and another one. Oh, I see something there. Another one. Another one is not moving. No! Yeah, bakal mo sila.
Ay, sorry. Ito ba yun, Sky?
You want to take it home?
No, we cannot. That's bawal. Bawal po. Bawal kunin ng mga starfish.
Wow,
Because
here.
they live here.
Eh, dito another one to me. May napakan ba ako?
Maybe.
May ba na
Everywhere.
May ba na nagawa pa another one? May ba na no? May ba another one?
Sobrang dami.
Ayun pa! Ano na? Oh. 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 Ayan, I'm stuck. I'm stuck
Yes,
in the
marami
mud.
na ang mga tao ditong nag-explore.
Guys, I'm stuck in the mud, guys. Hi, guys.
This picture.
This movie. I got some.
Sky, look! Ito na! It's moving na, Sky! Look at this, Ata.
Yeah, it's squawking.
Oh, it's moving.
It's so egg.
Ha? That's not a seashell. That's Kinder Egg. Oh, may basura. Ayan, basura, no? Ha? Kunti lang. Sky, this is for you.
Wow!
Ay,
Look cute. Yeah. Look.
you can take it.
You can take it.
Show mo kay Mama.
I'm gonna put it for you. Yeah. So guys.
Ganun.
Yan. Marami na ako.
Ano yan, Sky?
I saw a Friday.
What?
A Friday.
Seaweed yan.